Yes, hello and welcome. My name is David. So this video is going to be how to create poetic videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram Reels, TikTok. Yes, are you a poet? Are you a poeta? Are you a poetry? Just you create poem, you write poem, and you want to visualize that poem. You want to bring it to life. You want to make it cohesive. You want people to feel it. You want people to be in it. That kind of thing. You get my point. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a very simple to use AI tool called Pictory. Yes, I'm going to be using Pictory to transform a poem from its written form to a video-based, eye-catching, emotional dragging, and engaging video. I'm sure you don't want to miss this. You want to watch this video to the very end because it's going to be fully packed to the brim. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go onto my system somewhere here, somewhere here, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create these unique videos. You're going to love it. It's going to be fun, creative, and short. Get a cup, coffee, and let's get to work. You'll be seeing my system right about now. So take.
There once was a lad who made millions. His pockets were full and his future was brilliant. But his love life was a different story. For his partner was only after his money. She was a sly one, that's for sure. With eyes that glittered and a smile so pure. But deep down, she only wanted his cash. And never cared for his heart or his flash. He thought he was lucky to have her. But little did he know, it was just a blur. For when the money stopped rolling in, she was gone with the wind, never to be seen again. So listen up, young millionaires. Don't fall for the charm, the fake smiles, and flares. Find a love that's true, and not just for your wealth. Or you'll end up like this guy, lonely and in bad health.
Okay, so we all know AI is getting bigger and we can do a lot with AI if you would ask. And it's quite fascinating to know that using some basic, do we call it basic? We should not call it basic anymore. We're talking Pictory AI, ChatGPT, and Murf AI. We can create some very cool looking videos. Yeah, I'm going to be doing very in-depth videos about all these, and I'm going to be showing you how to use Pictory, ChatGPT, and Murf, and ElevenLabs. Basically, I'm going to compare these two, Murf Studio and ElevenLabs, in other video. But for this video, without wasting time, I just want to create a script. I'm going to try and create a poem and just convert it to video to show you how easy it is. I'm going to be showing you how to make audiobooks also using this AI softwares. I'm going to be creating a lot on this channel, so you want to subscribe if you've not done that already. If you're coming from YouTube, sorry. If you're coming from Facebook, I want to say thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, it's very important. Let's hit the milestone. Okay, so if you're watching me from YouTube, please subscribe, please. So let's go. So I'm going to be putting in my prompt now and just telling ChatGPT what to write me a poem about. So it's going to write a poem, and then we'll carry that poem into Pictory and move on from there. So without wasting much of your time, let's just do that. Yes, so we have the prompt I want ChatGPT to use, and say, you're an award-winning poet. Write me a short poem about a young man who made millions but never had a good real love life because his partner was there all along for just his money. Write it in a fun style. Okay, so now we're just going to go on and hit generate, and let's see what ChatGPT generates for us, and we'll come back and check it out. Okay, so we are back, and yes, this is the poem. So it says, there was once a lad who had made millions. His pockets were full and his future was brilliant. But his love life was a different story. Okay, for his partner was only after his money. She was a slave one, that's for sure. You get, so this is the poem. So now I'm just gonna do one thing. So I'll take the poem, all right, and I will just take the poem like that. Usually we should be able to copy all, but we'll just take that and move it to Murf AI and create new. It's quite easy. So the project will be wealthy lad. Okay, so you can see wealthy lad scam. So that's what I'll just name it that. Okay, so for this is the audio we are going to be working with. So you can make it in form of podcast, presentation, just something new. So depending, let me just start with this. Let me just do blank. Let me do blank. Because to me, this reads more like a story than a poem. Don't you think so? But I'm just showing you how these things work. So it's going to go on and get me to this screen. This is where I'm going to add my script. So I'll add the first layer. Okay, search login. Okay, so back, so I'm logged in. So I'm just gonna put in my test. So this part, I'm just gonna split it by paragraph or per sentence. Okay, and I'll just go on and paste the script. So you see we have that. So add an extra block, which is the last line, which I'll go get again. So this is it. So add this last block. Okay, so back in the block, I will just paste that in like so. Okay, so now we have it. So you can choose any of these AI voices. Okay, you can really pick any one you feel will work best for you. I always have a preference, and there was a file I made in the past. I'm going to be showing you in the comment section. I'm going to be doing more videos. So for this one, I'll just go and use Rachel. I'll be using Rachel for this one, as you can see. So Rachel is selected. So just go on and click on play. So it's going to morph it. It's going to generate audio, and we'll be able to use the audio. So let's wait for that to finish. As you can see, it says, so let's play it and listen to it.
There once was a lad who made millions. His pockets were full and his future was brilliant. But his love life was a different story.
Okay, so you can see that how it sounds. So we'll just now export it. We need only the audio, voice only, MP3, quality high. You don't want to settle for less. Trust me, you don't want to settle for less. You can do stereo if you want, or mono. To me, I don't know what the difference is. I've not seen the difference. But let's just do stereo for this and just hit download. Okay, so it's going to export. So now that we are done with the voiceover from Murf, we then come into Pictory. What you see on your home page is some 4 tabs. The one you want to click on is script editor. Okay, so script to video, and it brings you to this page. And this page now is that page where you put in your poem. In that case, this is mine, like you saw me create in ChatGPT. Okay, so you're gonna create this. Another way of it, remember you want to add the name. All right, mine is wealth. Okay, wealthy led love scam. Okay, so that's it. And if you notice closely, you see there are some highlighted words like pocket, millions, love, um, partner. Okay, so I'll just show you how to do that. So you click on that highlight, then you click on highlight. Okay, why you want to do that? Because you want to force Pictory AI to find images, videos specifically for that word. Okay, so that's why we do it, and that's why you should do it. If you need to do it, you can allow Pictory to pick all videos for you. I'm going to be showing you a subsequent video on how to change scenes in Pictory, so make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. But this is just going to be a comprehensive but then not broken down adequately, let me put it like that. So I'm going to make subsequent videos showing you how to do different things in Pictory. Just stay with me. So I have some word highlighted, as you can see. For this last paragraph, I've not highlighted any, so I'm just going to highlight young millionaires. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that. Okay, don't fall for the charm. All right. Yes, because trust me, whether we like it or not, male or female, young adult, male or female, old adult, young, it does not matter. They are just people who are there for your money, and when that money stop coming, they disappear. Okay? Okay, so you want to avoid those set of people at all costs. Don't think they love you when you have money. Yes, you find true love even without money or with money, but don't get lost in that. So that's just the aim of this poem. It's just a cool story that you're gonna love. I'm sure you watched it at the beginning, and now this is the making. So bad health. Should we make it okay? Bad health. Okay, so I like that. Then the very next step, once we've done highlighting the words we want to have a certain video for, we click on process. Okay, you have seen setting, but I won't touch that now. I'll talk about that in subsequent video. So this is the part where you want to choose how you want it to look. Okay, so you can just scroll and just pick out, depending on what kind of videos you are making, you just want to choose. For this is a poem, so we need something. Okay, this should work, this also would work. Okay, so it's totally up to you what you really want, but me, I'll go with this for the sake of this video. And remember, depending on where you want it, if it's for site like YouTube, you want to use 16:9. If it's for Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, you want to use 9:16. If it's for Instagram feed, then you want to use 1:1, or Facebook feed, normal feed. So for this, we are using a 16:9, and we just hit enter. Okay, so it's going to go out and process it, and you're going to have your videos super fast ready to go, and we'll come back once the video is done. And as you can see, it's not taking a lot of time. It should complete in no time, feeding us the videos we want, and here we can go through the scene, add our voiceover, and if you want the subtitle in the video, is up to you. I'm going to be showing you also how to use Murf, okay, to make audio books. Okay, that's audio books you download. You just put in your headset and just listen to the story of the full book, the summary of the full book, while you drive or while you relax, maybe cooking dinner or something. You just want to know the full story of the book in full summary. So that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do with Murf AI. I'm going to be showing you a lot on this channel, trust me. So I'll say subscribe if you've not subscribed already, and trust me, you want to like this video if you've not done that. Share if you care. Share if you care for your loved ones, if you want to support. Remember, I'm going to be putting the links to all the tools I use down in the description to make life super easy. Okay, super easy. Okay, so you see this, for instance, did not give a very good beginning shots, as you can see. So if I go over and try to play this, okay, if I try to play this scene, preview, let's preview it and see what it says. There was once a lad who made millions. Okay, this is not the best interpretation of this scene at all. Okay, this is not the best interpretation of this scene at all. So what I will do is go to visuals. I'll just quickly show you how to do that here. I'll go to visuals, and you see, I'll just change to millions. Just change this scene. That scene does not interpret millions at all. So this should work. This should work. So let's use this. So it's going to swap with this particular scene. It's going to swap with that scene. Okay, so we have that. It's swapped up with that particular scene now. So we have it. Okay, so you see it. So that's the scene. It's a better scene right now. Okay, so you can hear the background music. I hope you did. Don't worry about the storyboard. Once your video is generated, you'll find it in there. So for me, there's one more thing I've not added. Let me go to audio, which is the voiceover we made in Murf AI. So I'm going to be bringing the voiceover. Go to voiceover. Okay. My uploads. Okay. So now we just bring in the voiceover we've created. We'll go to download. I think I have it on and download. Okay, this is it. So I'll just bring that in. You're going to see how cool this AI software processes the voiceover, syncs it with the video to make it unique. It's going to be amazing for those of you that are just coming through or seeing this for the first time. It's going to amaze you how this would work. So you see, you don't want to put it for current scene. You want to do it for entire video, because we had it for the full length video. It's just about 50 seconds. So we do entire video. Okay, so it's going to automatically synchronize with the video, generate a preview, and we'll be ready to go. And we'll just have to wait for it to be done. Then we'll click on download. It's going to send it to your email. That's why you should use your work, not should I say work email, your business email, one you'll be using to create more videos so that you can get the alerts when it's done processing the video. But for now, we'll just wait for it to go over and generate, synchronize the voiceover with the video, and we'll get back.
There once was a lad who made millions. His pockets were full and his future was brilliant. But his love
Okay, so
was a
we are
different
back,
story.
and this is
For his-
the preview.
For his
If you
partner
feel
was
it
only
looks
after
good,
his money.
you click on looks good. If
She
you need to
was a-
adjust, you adjust.
She was a sly one, that's for sure. With eyes that glittered and a smile so pure. But deep down, she only wanted his cash.
I'm sure you watched this in the
And-
beginning, so
and
let's
never
just
cared
click
for
on
his
looks
heart
good.
or his flash.
Okay, so we have that. It's all in there. It's all in the scene. So all we need to do right about now is just hit download videos, and we should be ready to go. It's gonna take a while depending on your system, and once it's done, you are gonna get a notification to download your video. I don't want to blow you with the rest. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and at the end you see the video. The video is the one you watched already. So that is it. If you want to test this out for yourself, if you want to make it your daily driver, remember it's Pictory, 3 tools. You want to have Pictory, Murf AI, they keep updating, which is good. You have Murf AI. Okay, in Murf AI you also have can, oh sorry, Chat GBT, GP, GP, what do you call it again? You know what it means, man. It's the hardest thing to pronounce for me right now, as short as it is. Chat GPB. Well, what is it? Just tell me in the comments. Don't stress us, don't stress us. So that's it. We're just gonna wait for it to finish and we'll have the video. So you see we have this scene created, generating 12 scenes. Once it's done, we're good to go and you're gonna see it. Remember, subscribe, like, share, and watch the next video. You want to keep watching this if you want to become a pro in using AI to create videos for your businesses. If you want to start an online business for audiobooks, you just want to summarize different books and just put it on your YouTube channel, for instance. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. If you just want to create videos for yourself or voiceover for your company, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So make sure you are subscribed so that you learn how to use 4 most important tool in my arsenal, which is Pictory AI, Murf AI, ChatGPT AI, and the other one should be, it says this other voiceover tool, lab something, but I'll try and get the name. And as time goes on, I'll show you how to use all these tools. And trust me, by the end of watching my videos, you should be a pro in doing this yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.